Today we are going to see Python regex. So what is regex, how it is used, and what are all the functions present in it. So let's get started with it. So first of all, what is a regex? A regex stands for regular expression and it is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. So basically with the help of regex, you can find the occurrences of some letters or words which whatever you want to find in a string or in your any other document. So you can do that with the help of regex. You can also do that with the help of for loop or any other kind of thing, but you can also directly use regex. And to import the regex module, we write import re. So here is an example. It will check that if a string starts with the and ends with space. So here you can see there are some characters. We will learn about them. But first of all, here I have taken a string which says the rain in Spain, and I'm using a method present in regex module. There are many other methods which we'll see further in the video. So here we are writing re.search, and you can see the meta characters here. These characters are meta characters basically, and here it is searching that whether the string starts with the and ends with Spain, and the text is the string which we have taken. So if it is true, then it will return yes, we have a match, and otherwise it will return no match. So let me run this. So you can see that yes, we have a match because it starts with the and ends with Spain. What if it doesn't ends with Spain? Suppose it ends with India, and now we search it. So it gives us no match. So it works that way. Now we have four function in the regex module, the basic and main four function: find all, search, split, and sub. So we will learn about this and later on. So first see what are meta characters. Meta characters are characters with special meaning. Suppose in this example, I have taken meta character like brackets and a to m. What it does, so what it will do, that it will find all the lowercase characters alphabetically between a and m. So here is the same string which we have taken earlier, the rain in Spain, and it will find the letters between a and m in the string. So you can see the result Heaii. So first of all is H and then E. So it gives you the letters like according to their positions. So like if we write here, suppose S, then it will give is Herain. And please note that if you write here S, so it will give a character before, just before the S. It will not give you S character. Like if you have R, then it will give you R, but it will not give you S. So it works that way. Here is the example of the meta character. You can see the arrow type of symbol. So what it does, it checks whether the string starts with hello. You have already seen in the above example that we have written the, and we have used the same meta character as we are using here. So it will check that if the string starts with hello, then it will print the string starts with hello. So let me run this. Okay, you can see that the output is yes, the string starts with hello. And if like suppose if hello is not in the beginning and it's here hello, so then run it again, then it will state no match because it is ending with hello but not starting with hello. So it works that way. Now we have another example is the symbol here. It will check it whether it ends with planet or not, and if it ends with planet, it will gives us the output yes, it's end with planet. So let me run this. So you can see the output that yes, the string ends with planet. Now here another example is the star symbol. So what it will do is it will search for a sequence that starts with HE, followed by 0 or any other characters and ends with O. Suppose you have a stringlet hello planet. So what it will do is it will check, like suppose whether the sequence which we are entering, it starts with HE and ends with HO, and it will print the result. So let me run this. So it will print hello. You can see that HELLO we have written. So it implies that hello whole will be printed. Suppose if I write like any everything, and it everything will be printed because it lies between HE and O. So you remember that, like star stands for what, dollar stands for what. So you can read the whole documentation on it, and then you can find everything there and you can learn more about it. Now let's start with the function. First is the find all function. The find all function returns a list containing all matches, and what it does is, like suppose we have a text here and we are writing the find all function. So find all AI. So wherever we will find AI together in the string, it will return that. So here you can see that in rain we have AI, in Spain we have AI. So it will returns AI two times. And if the list does not contain the characters, then it will return like no match or empty, like empty string, empty list. So here is an example, the rain in Spain, and we are searching here for Portugal, and we can see that for this text does not contain this word. So it will gives us, let me run this. So what it gives us is uh, like empty string and no match, because we have written no match in the else condition. So it works that way. The another function is the search function. So it searches the string for match and returns the match object if there is a match. If there is one more match, only the first occurrence of the match will be returned. So in find all, it returns all the matches, and in search it will return only the first match. So here what we are searching is we are searching here for white space character, and this stands for the space bar we use generally. So this stands for that. So first space bar is here, as you can see, and the occurrence of this is like this is at 0th index, this is at 1, 2 and 3. So it the space is at the third index, and here we are printing the index of the position of the first space. So you can see the output. Let me run this again. So the first white space character is located in position 3. And what if there are no matches? So like here we are searching the same which we have done earlier, and it will return none because Portugal is not in present in the ring in Spain. But earlier it has also returned the empty list, but here it is returning only none. So you can see the difference. Now the next one is the split function. The split function returns a list where the string has been split at the match. So split means the split stands, maybe you can use the space. So this is the symbol for space, and wherever we have space, the list is splitted at that point. So it will return the rain in Spain. So as here is space, space and space, so it will return the list in that way. The next one is the sub function. So it will replaces the matches with your text of your choice. Replace all white space characters with 9 digits. So 9 digit, the number 9. So what it will do this, the this, you will know that this stands for white space. So if we try to run this, like you can see that the sub takes 3 arguments. First one is the where we have to replace with what we have to replace and the string, and then finally we are printing the result. So let me run this. You can see the output, and if you write here suppose A, so you can see that the word A, the letter A is replaced with 9. So it is so easy to use, you can see. And what if you want to like replace only first two occurrences. So then you will pass one more argument in the sub function, which is 2, because we are replacing only for first two occurrences of white space. So let me run this. You can see the output, that the last space is not covered and not replaced by 9, but the rest space are. And what if we write, suppose here A, and I write here 1?
110,
You can
Ronik. Yeah,
see
I'm
that it is replaced by A. So
Yes, ma'am. Screen is